In the heart of war, innovation often blooms out of necessity. A powerful example of this is Ukraine's FrankenSAM, a hybrid air defense system that has transformed how the Ukrainian military combats aerial threats from Russia. This unique system has not only strengthened Ukraine's defense, but has also caught the interest of the U.S. military, highlighting the value of rapid, practical solutions in modern warfare. But what exactly is FrankenSAM? And why has it become such a highly coveted asset? What is FrankenSAM? FrankenSAM combines the words Frankenstein and SAM, surface-to-air missile, aptly named for its patchwork design that merges Western missiles with Soviet-era missile launchers. The idea for FrankenSAM was born in late 2022 to meet Ukraine's need for more versatile air defense. Faced with an increase in Russian airstrikes targeting Ukrainian energy and critical infrastructure, the Ukrainian armed forces quickly realized they needed to bolster their air defense capabilities to combat Russian aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. However, Ukraine's existing SAM systems, such as the Soviet-made BUKM-1 and S-300P, could not accommodate the more advanced Western missiles readily available from US and NATO allies. Rather than waiting for entirely new systems, which are costly and take time to produce, Ukraine decided to retrofit its launchers to handle Western munitions. 8 months later, in October 2023, the first FrankenSAM was deployed, demonstrating Ukraine's remarkable ability to adapt to new challenges on the battlefield. Why the U.S. is interested in FrankenSAM? In July 2024, the U.S. Senate Armed Services Committee filed its 2025 Defense Policy Bill, requesting the Secretary of Defense to explore the U.S. Air Force's potential use of FrankenSAM's underlying concept. This move reflects the U.S. military's growing recognition of FrankenSAM's utility. Despite the U.S.'s significant defense capabilities, there is a need for adaptable, cost-effective air defense systems to address evolving threats, particularly in regions where U.S. military assets may not be fully secured. The U.S. has plenty of missiles but relatively few launchers, and manufacturing complex air defense systems, like the Patriot missile system, is both expensive and time-consuming. By adopting Ukraine's approach, the U.S. can create a short-term solution that leverages available stockpiles, offering a versatile and mobile defense option that can be deployed to defend critical locations quickly. The challenges of equipping Ukraine. While the U.S. and other NATO countries have been able to supply Ukraine with a substantial amount of weaponry, adapting these tools to Ukraine's aging Soviet-made systems has proven to be a complex task. Ukraine's existing systems could not support Western air defense missiles, limiting the compatibility of the equipment available to Ukrainian forces. At Ukraine's request, allies began helping to repurpose Soviet-era missile launchers to accommodate NATO standard missiles, specifically the RIM-7 Sea Sparrow and the AIM-9M Sidewinder. The result was a series of adapted systems, known collectively as FrankenSAMs, which brought together components from both Eastern and Western technology. This approach was not only cost-effective, but also provided Ukraine with a much-needed boost in air defense. The evolution of FrankenSAM from Ukraine to the U.S. Today, Ukraine operates several FrankenSAM systems on the battlefield. According to Oleksandr Kamyshin, head of the Ukrainian Ministry of Strategic Industries, approximately 5 projects similar to FrankenSAM are already active. While only 3 hybrid systems developed through the Ukraine-US program have been observed in combat, these systems continue to evolve and adapt. The FrankenSAM designs currently used in Ukraine include BUK-SAM systems modified for RIM-7 missiles. This adaptation utilizes Ukraine's Soviet-era BUK missile launchers to fire American RIM-7 Sea Sparrow missiles. Soviet radar with AIM-9M missiles. By using Soviet radar to guide US-made AIM-9M Sidewinder missiles, Ukraine can enhance its defense with lightweight, easy-to-integrate missiles. Patriot missile S-300 radar hybrid. This powerful variant combines launchers from the Patriot air defense system with Soviet S-300 radars, offering extended range and improved targeting. These systems have been instrumental in reinforcing Ukraine's defense, and the U.S. is keenly interested in exploring this approach for its own air defense needs. The RIM-7 Sea Sparrow and its adaptation for FrankenSAM. Initially developed for the U.S. Navy, this was designed as a ship-launched SAM system to defend against anti-ship missiles, aircraft, and cruise missiles. It has radar-guided, semi-active homing capabilities and a dual-thrust rocket motor for greater range and maneuverability. Although originally intended for maritime use, the RIM-7's adaptability has made it suitable for ground-based launch from Ukraine's modified Buk systems. While the RIM-7 offers less range than the Buk's native missiles, it is much lighter and more compact, which means more missiles can be loaded onto a single launcher, enhancing defense capabilities without requiring extensive upgrades. The AIM-9M Sidewinder. This is a short-range, air-to-air missile originally developed by Raytheon for the U.S. military. With its infrared homing system and improved countermeasures, it provides flexibility for engaging aerial targets. Unlike the RIM-7, the AIM-9M does not require target illumination, simplifying its use in Ukraine's modified systems. Because of its versatility and moderate dimensions, the AIM-9M can be deployed from a variety of launch platforms, making it a highly flexible addition to FrankenSAM configurations. Patriot missiles in FrankenSAM. The most advanced FrankenSAM configuration involves using Patriot missiles, which are renowned for their extensive capabilities in tracking and intercepting a wide range of aerial threats. Patriot missiles have a significant engagement range, powerful warheads, and an altitude ceiling of nearly 100,000 feet, making them ideal for combating high-level threats. However, Patriot systems require specific radar components that are difficult to replicate. While the exact details of Ukraine's use of Patriot missiles remain classified, the U.S. is considering using a similar approach for short-range air defense, SHORAD, a known gap in current U.S. military capabilities. Why SHORAD matters, and how FrankenSAM fills the gap. Short-range air defense is an area of vulnerability for both Ukraine and the U.S. military, as the modern battlefield increasingly relies on UAVs, cruise missiles, and other high-tech aerial threats. Defending critical infrastructure has become more challenging. By using existing stockpiles of missiles, launchers, and equipment in hybrid systems like FrankenSAM, the U.S. can address its SHORAD needs effectively. The ability to deploy these systems quickly and flexibly is essential in contested environments or in scenarios where rapid deployment is crucial. FrankenSAM systems can be mounted on vehicles or positioned in fixed locations, providing agility and adaptability that can protect air bases, installations, and forward deployed units from low-level aerial attacks. The future of FrankenSAM. This project offers the U.S. military a practical solution for defending against evolving threats. According to the Senate Armed Services Committee, traditional military procurement processes often struggle to keep pace with technological advancements and real-world challenges. FrankenSAM represents an agile response to these issues, integrating readily available components into a modular open architecture system that can be customized and deployed as needed. If you found this dive into FrankenSAM and the evolution of modern air defense interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more global military innovations and strategic developments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.